Today I have a build and review on a really cool 18 plus set. It's the Acclamator-Class Assault Ship 75404. It's 450 pieces. I'm building this set used, so I don't have the courtesy of bags. It comes with one booklet of instructions. The instructions has a nice write-up on a couple pages, and then we get right into the build. The first few steps involve a lot of smaller pieces. Display stand and the Acclamator-Class Assault Ship. And here it is complete. This is a really good, quick to build 18 plus set.